Welcome to another Tablescape Tuesday. Welcome back and welcome if you are new. Oh, look what we have here, guys. We have moved on to fall. Check my fall tablescape out. Well, Tablescape Tuesdays are brought to you by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and Amethyst Adventures. Those are our hosts, and I will drop their information in the description box below. And we have a guest host today by the name of Debbie Bubbles, and I will drop her information in the description box below. Today it is also Debbie Bubbles' birthday. So we want to say, hey, Debbie Bubbles, happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, and may God continue to bless you with many more. Today's tablescape theme is autumn leaves, and I believe I've captured some autumn leaves on my table runner here. So let's talk about this Tablescape Tuesday. As I said, today's theme is autumn leaves. And I believe I brought in some nice autumn colors of burnt oranges, golds, and I thought that I would pair the colors with my white dinner plates and gold placemats and chargers with a little beaded gold rim. And I thought that these cloth napkins would be just perfect to complement the table runner and the faux florals that I picked up from Joann's about 3-4 weeks ago. I featured these faux florals in a previous haul, and I mentioned to you guys a couple of times now actually that Joann's had a sale on their faux florals and they were 60% off. So what I have done here is I've mixed some of the faux florals that I purchased from Joann's with some florals that I've already had. For example, these, I've already had those, and these eucalyptus, I've had those for quite some time. So I've mixed in a little new with a little old. But outside of that, there's nothing new on this tablescape that you guys probably haven't already seen. So as you can see, I always tell you that I try to kind of shift things around, do a little remix with my items that I use for tablescapes, and they actually turn out really well. So this gives you some inspiration or ideas on how you can create table settings if you're having company or tablescapes. You can just kind of remix some of the items that you have using different color palettes and different decor. Just kind of mix them up. And if you can see back there in the background, I have a beautiful faux floral. Some of those, again, I got from Joann's, and some I've already had in previous, and I've used them, for a number of years for fall. Some of them I've gotten from Hobby Lobby in the past, but I kind of mixed some new florals with some of the ones that I've had from before, and they turned out perfect, just perfect. And look how nicely they complement these faux florals and the table colors, the colors on the table. So as you're creating tablescapes, as you can see, there's a lot that you can do. And I love to use that blue and white ginger jar. Now does it match exactly? No, but I don't think everything has to match exactly. I think it adds interest when you can kind of mix some colors up. It doesn't take away from the beauty of this tablescape. Now, to show you again a little bit of how you can remix and save money when you're creating tablescapes, I didn't have any gold napkin rings. So you know what I said? Now what can I use for a napkin ring? So you know what? I looked in my china closet there, and down below, I found these. Look at that. So hey, you know what? I said I'm gonna make use of those. I'm gonna flip those around and they're going to suffice for a napkin ring. And I think it turned out just nice. And hey, look, you know, when your guests are over and they pull the napkin ring off, oh yeah, we're going to have a merry time. We're going to have a merry time in fall. And moving over here, I have some eucalyptus and my ginger jar here, along with some fall leaf colored paper napkins. So I think this turned out really, really nice. So I hope this gives you motivation, again, like I said, and just to kind of let you know you don't have to run out and spend a lot of money, you know, buying things to create a tablescape. Dig down in that stash and see what you can come up and move things around, shift them around. You know, it gives you a chance to use your creative flair. I hope that you all have an amazing day. Again, I am going to post the links for the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, Amethyst Adventures, and Debbie Bubbles, and the hashtag Tablescape Tuesdays 23. You will be so happy when you click on the link for Tablescape Tuesdays 23. You can see all of the other co-content creators and the variety of tablescape ideas that you can use. So again, guys, thanks for watching my video to the end. I really appreciate it. Again, please consider to like, comment, and subscribe. I enjoy bringing tablescapes to you. You know, I enjoy doing retail walkthroughs, home decor. So these are all gifts, you know, some thrifting, you know, little DIY. Y'all know me, I don't do a lot of DIYs, but you know, hey, look, I like to bring you ideas when I post my videos. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And you guys have an amazing day. Until the next time, bye-bye.